Everyone loves making money, but sometimes you just don't have the time or energy to get your hustle on. Whether you're a student working hard on your educational goals, or a young person with big dreams but limited work experience, there's always something in your way. So, what's the solution? Passive income. Hi, I'm Jasper. In this video, we'll talk about some excellent passive income ideas that you can use to make money with minimal effort and without compromising your education, social life, and hobbies. Let's get started. We'll start with domain investing. It's a simple concept. You buy domain names and then sell them for more than you paid. We're not talking about a few percent either. A decent domain often sells for 10 times more than you paid for it. Talk about high gains. You can develop a respectable inventory of domain names by purchasing expired ones, participating in auctions, checking domain marketplaces, or registering them yourself. The key to success is to look for descriptive, brandable, short, and catchy domains. Once you build up your domain inventory, it's time to sell. You can list them on marketplaces like Cedo, Afternic, or build your own landing page informing visitors that your domain is for sale. Both of these options don't take too much time, and you don't have to look for buyers on your own. Another great option is selling customized products. Even if you don't have time to start your own online store, t-shirts, posters, mugs, phone cases, your options are literally endless. Websites like Printful and Cafe Press allow you to create and sell items with your own design. They take care of manufacturing, packaging, and even shipping. This is an excellent option for creatives who follow the latest trends. The best part is that literally no downside. All you need is your creativity, patience, and a splash of clever marketing, like a meme or two, and you're good to go. Okay, let's say you have some money saved up and you'd like to invest it. Dividend stocks might be the best option for you. Although it sounds significantly less exciting than the other two options, it's a predictable, low-risk way to invest. All you need to do is some research. Educating yourself is the key to good investing. When choosing the stocks you want to invest in, first determine your goals and risk tolerance. Then look for companies with a strong track record of increasing dividends over time, and you're golden. But just like with every other type of investment, this one has its own risks. So make sure to seek professional financial advice before making any large investment decisions. If all this sounds a bit too complex, don't worry, you still have other options. Affiliate sales are another fantastic way to earn passive income. In this case, you'd advertise someone else's product and get a piece of the profits for every sale made through your affiliate link, code, or something similar. Amazon, eBay, Fiverr, Etsy, Shopify, and countless other companies have affiliate programs you can participate in. The commission rates go from 1% to 30%, or even more so in some cases, so you can make some decent cash. We often advertise our favorite products for free, so why not turn that into cash? The key here is not to look for the best paying option. Instead, go for the products you know and like. You'll be able to present them in an honest way, and success will surely follow. Speaking of affiliate and referral programs, Pawns.app has its own, and it's by far the safest source of passive income you've ever seen. People worldwide can use the app to make cash by completing surveys and sharing their unused bandwidth. In other words, your audience is global, and the product sells itself. How cool is that? When you join Pawns.app, you can earn money in the app itself, but you can also share your referral link to earn even more. Each person who starts using Pawns.app through your link gets a $1 starting bonus on us. On the other hand, whenever they withdraw their earnings, you get 10%. Think about that for a second. Family, friends, neighbors, coworkers, social media, forums, chat rooms, the sky's the limit. And lastly, there's absolutely no risk. Just copy and paste your link into a few strategic places and watch your earnings grow. If that's not passive income, I don't know what is. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and let us know what's the best passive income option in the comments. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. See you soon.